So for this class tonight, we introduced two moves that start the same way, end the same way, but are different. So whether you social dance or you compete, this is a great move you can use. Hopefully you use both. First off, on a sugar push, we just did teach in the class sugar tuck, combination sugar push, tuck turn, my left hand, my follower, Stephanie's right hand, put her back where she was, okay? So just bring her in on 1, 2, 1, 2, you compress, and turn her, full turn, all right? Go from there. Everything's pretty much the same up to 4, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now as she's doing her 5 and, I'm gonna step and move towards her to her right side for 5 and, which means I'm gonna hook my elbow underneath her left elbow, I'm sorry, her right elbow. So it might be better to see it from this direction. So I've got to get under by the and count. So if I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and. Might not be still, can't see it, so we'll go this direction, just at a different angle. I'm a little off the track so you can see her more than me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and. Just enough to elbow, get it in that little nook of yours so you can stop her momentum, okay? So it's 5 and. 6 as you're pulling her up onto the next step. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Pull her up onto her left foot. I fall back on my right foot. And then I take my right hand, while still holding her up top, turning her to her left, triple step, little over back, just to send her back where she was. Just a little elbow catch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So stay in front of her. Don't give her the impression a turn is coming. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So front to back on that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. One more this way. So guys, you got to move over to her right. 1, 2. Then get back on the track. Give her a little turn. Back where she was. Okay. Now that's a little challenging with just one hand. Now we're going to give you one with 2. It's a little easier to lead. How we taught it, however you learn to use them. I started with using my one hand and then use the other one. Well, either way, we hope you like this. Give us a thumbs up, give us a nice comment. She reads them, yells if they're bad. So this next one, I'm using my right hand. So all the same count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and. So instead of my elbow catching her, I'm using the back of my right hand. Same place. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and. Pull forward 6, turn her left, triple step. Okay? It's an easier way to lead it. It's actually in both hands controlling her. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Front to back. All the same count, all the same positioning. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn her left. The other direction. Pull her in. I'm going to take my right hand. Get her here. Turn her left. Triple step. It's just an easier way to get her into it. But both are effective, especially if you can lead her well. And don't forget, please subscribe. Every week a new move. Sharing our passion for love, for dance with you guys. Hope you like it. It's free every week. How can you turn it down? So both moves. First one hand. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Turn her left. And then use the other hand. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Turn her left. Elbow catches. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like those guys. First time I ever taught them here. Taught them at another location last year. First time this year. Regardless of where it is, we hope you like and use it as well. All right. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep dancing. I was waiting for her to say it.
That's right.